Good morning. This is your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing, seeing much cooler temperatures than what we've seen the last several days, as well as we will be seeing unsettled conditions as we move through the day today, before we move into a pattern where we'll see high pressure take back control of the forecast. But if we look at the current surface analysis right now, we have this boundary well off to the southeast that pushed through the area last night that brought in the cooler temperatures, and then we're getting some upper level support for the scattered showers that are across the region at this time, and again expecting those to stick around as we go through the day today, and possibly seeing them pick up a bit as we go into the later afternoon and evening as an area of low pressure tries to develop along this boundary well off the coast. But that will help pull the showers out of the area as well as we get into the morning hours tomorrow. If we look at the upper level winds from this morning's soundings, we have a more northerly wind component near the surface, becoming more west-southwesterly as we get up in the mid and upper levels, seeing our peak wind today around 25,000 feet of 86 knots and seeing that freezing level at 11,100 feet. If we look at the current visible satellite, we can see socked in the clouds over the area as we go through the day, expecting that to remain the case. We'll start to see a break in the clouds as we get to the start of the day of tomorrow. Looking at local radar as well, we can see we got those scattered showers across the area, mainly very light showers to light showers. Do have a chance of seeing more moderate showers embedded within the activity as we get later in the afternoon and into the evening. But for now, we'll just be contending with light showers moving through the area through the day today. We'll take a look at the European model here, see how things do play out. Again, expecting those showers to linger around through much of the day and into the evening time frame. As we get into the evening, you see a little bit of enhancement in showers as an area of low pressure tries to develop off the coast. And then moving into tomorrow, as we get past the midnight time frame tonight, I have a chance of a few lingering showers, but most of the activity should start to taper off, and then we'll see breaks in the clouds getting into the start of the day on Wednesday. As that area of low pressure moves off to the east, it's going to take those showers with it. And then we'll see high pressure building in from the west, and through the day on Wednesday, we'll see a tight pressure gradient over the region, so that's going to keep those winds elevated and fairly gusty, with a good chance of seeing a wind advisory as we move through the day on Wednesday. But as we go into Wednesday evening, we'll see those winds start to relax a bit, and we'll see mostly clear with a slight breeze, and that will allow temperatures to cool down to around freezing as we go through Wednesday night and Thursday morning. And then for the remainder of the forecast, we'll see high pressure building in over the area for the remainder of the week. And as we get towards the end of the week on Friday, we'll start to see a return to more seasonable temperatures. If we zoom out and look at the longer term forecast here, again, high pressure continues to remain in control as we go through the weekend. We'll see temperatures back to a couple degrees or so above average for this time of year, and then things still remain dry as we go through the weekend, with the next best chance of seeing some precip move into the area. It looks to be as we get into the day on Tuesday, but we'll see how that plays out as we get closer. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, expecting red conditions for precip as we go through the day today until about midnight, when we'll drop down to a yellow risk after midnight till about 4 a.m. Again, expecting those light rain showers to continue on and off as we go through the day today, with a chance of seeing some more moderate showers embedded within that as we get later in the afternoon into the evening. Going into the evening time frame, we'll also pick up a chance of reduced ceilings and visibilities with those yellow risks there, with the chance of those more moderate showers moving through. But overall, expecting a fairly cool day today. Temperatures won't be moving much. We'll struggle to get to a high around 52 degrees and stay right around 50 degrees and dropping into the 40s as we go into the evening time. We'll see those winds fairly light out of the north, or slightly breezy out of the north, 13 knots, gusting up to 17 or 18 knots at the max. And then we'll see those gusts start to die off as we go into the evening time frame. And then going into tomorrow, as we see the rain start to move out of here, we'll see the clouds start to break, starting the day partly cloudy tomorrow, with those winds starting to pick up out of the northwest, 9 to 14 knots, and gusting up to 19 knots. Right now, tides are running about a foot above normal And looking at the next couple days, we'll see Wednesday, partly cloudy. Again, expecting breezy conditions and chilly conditions with a high around 53. We do have that red risk for winds at or above 25 knots. Then we'll see mostly sunny conditions as we get later in the day. Going into Wednesday evening, we're back to green conditions for our weather risk, and we'll see mostly clear and another chilly evening with a low approaching freezing around 34 degrees. And as we go into Thursday, we'll see mostly sunny and another cool day with a high around 55 degrees. Look at the extended forecast for Friday. We're back to more seasonable temperatures with a low around 38 and a high around 62 with mostly sunny conditions. And as we go into the weekend, we'll get a couple degrees above average with highs in the upper 60s and our low temperatures in the upper 40s or right around 50. But overall, still mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions. Could see a slight breeze on Sunday, but as we go into Monday, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy conditions with some clouds possibly moving into the area ahead of the next potential system moving into the area on Tuesday. And we could see a breeze start to pick up on Monday as well. Well, that will wrap up the 10 a.m. weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.